Let's use the following calorie information to answer the exercise. Paul plans to exercise in order to burn the same number of calories he eats. On Thursday, his lunch consisted of half an avocado, a glass of milk, and a slice of cake. He then plays a set of tennis and decides to swim enough to make up for the rest of the calories. If he always swims sets of 10 laps at a time, how many sets of 10 laps must he swim to be sure he has burned off at least as many calories as he consumed? So, to solve this problem, let's first figure out how many calories he's consumed. And from that, we can subtract how much calories he's burned by playing tennis, and then figure out how many sets of 10 laps of swimming he must burn in order to maintain how much he's lost. So we first find how much he's consumed. Paul plans to exercise in order to burn the same number of calories he eats. On Thursday, his lunch consisted of half of an avocado, a glass of milk, and a slice of cake. If he ate half of an avocado, and one avocado contains 370 calories, then he ate one half of that 370 calories. This would mean that we're multiplying one half by 370. To this, he also drinks a glass of milk, which is adding to 159 more calories, and to this, he also has a slice of cake, which is also 225 calories. This will be the amount of calories that he's consumed. So let's first find this result. To multiply 1 half by 370, we can write 370 over 1, and 1 times 370 is 370, 2 times 1 is over 2. So we have 370 divided by 2 plus 159 plus 225. So let's divide 2 into 370. 2 divides into 3 once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, we get 1, bring down the 7. 2 divides into 17 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract, 17 minus 16 is 1. Bring down the 0. 2 divides into 10 5 times. So, as he ate half of an avocado, he really consumed only 185 calories, plus 159 calories, plus 225 calories. Let's add this up for his total number of calories that he's gained. So 185 plus 159 plus 225. Adding this, 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 5 is 19, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 2 is 16, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So he's gained 569 calories. For the amount of energy he's burning, he then plays a set of tennis and decides to swim enough to make up for the rest of the calories. So if he's gained 569 calories, if he plays a set of tennis, he's burned 200 calories. So we'll take 569 and subtract 200. This becomes 369 calories that he still needs to burn off. If he always swims 10 sets of 10 laps at a time, how many sets of 10 laps must he swim to be sure he has burned off at least as many calories as he's consumed? So if he swims 10 laps of swimming, he's burned 185. So if he swims 20 laps, that would be 2 of these 10 laps of swimming. That would be 185 doubled. So if we multiply 185 by 2 for 20 laps, 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1. If he swims 20 laps, he will have burned 370, which is more than how many calories he still has. So he should swim 20 laps, or 2 groups of 10 laps of swimming, to burn the same amount of calories as he's consumed. That's our final answer.